Alright guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today my plan is to open up this motor, this 302 that I picked up the other day. If you didn't see that, I posted a video about a week ago of myself getting a big parts haul of a bunch of stuff. I got two 302 engines. This one right here. And that one. That one I'm not so worried about right this second. I'm pretty sure that one, I mean, it'll probably run for all I know, but I'm sure it needs to be gone through. This one, on the other hand, supposedly is already gone through and supposedly is bored 30 over. But I want to pull these heads off and confirm that. And I'm not going to use these heads anyway, so yeah. But let's get right into it. Alright, so heads off. These heads are in good shape. I mean, too bad they are what they are, just E7s. But I mean, looks like new valves. Some head gasket material, but they look clean. Head gasket is clearly brand new. These pistons are brand new. They appear to be cut big enough for big valve heads, so that's cool. The normal 302 pistons, for one, aren't cut on both sides. Also, they would be cut shorter right here, so you'd have to fly cut them or replace the pistons to run different heads. But I'll look up these numbers and see exactly what they say they are. Alright, so this block had me a little confused for a second. I think I finally figured it out. What I've got here, I pulled cylinder 1 piston, because these pistons, if you read the top of that, if it picks up on the camera, it says standard STD. Wouldn't usually say that. It would usually say 30, 0.03, 0.04, 0.06, whatever it's bored to. I was definitely under the impression this thing had been bored, but no, those are standard bore pistons, and they're brand new. I'm not entirely sure how or why, but I have a suspicion that this is like an old stock Ford block that's just never actually even been in a car. To verify this, I did, of course, measure the piston, the outside diameter of it. Came out just below 4, like 3.96 or something like that. I don't remember. But I have that zeroed at 4. I know I should be using a micrometer, but dial gauge or veneer caliper is all I got. But the dial bore gauge, on the other hand, this is zeroed at 4 inches via that veneer caliper. And if you watch, you see my zero. Where it's bouncing there on the zero, that's 4 inches. That's the widest point in the the smallest point, the direct line across. So yeah, it's kind of cool. allegedly, essentially a brand new block. And I mean, all the cross hatching in it's perfect. Like this thing's never been run. I don't know exactly how or why, but I'm not mad at it. So now I just got to figure out what direction I want to go with it.